Bopie chose a Portuguese design for this project to enhance the natural brilliance of the stone. Light just seems to swirl in a gemstone when the stone is cut into a Portuguese design. For this project, I selected top color quality amethyst. The best amethyst is often called Siberian amethyst, and originally Siberian amethyst denoted the location where that amethyst came from, Siberia. But Siberian amethyst was mined centuries ago. It's no longer found there. Today, Siberian amethyst doesn't refer to the location, but it refers to the top color of amethyst, which displays the flashes of magenta.